design for the Button Farm Club, and I am here to show you a little sneaky peek at what you're going to be getting in your December card club kit. This month we are working with the fabulous Stamperia Alice Gold. This is a remake of the original Stamperia Alice, which we all loved, but this time it's got gold foil accents. Can you see that? You're going to get the entire 22 sheet pad of paper. These are single-sided papers, so we don't have to agonize over which one to use. Look at the gold embossing, foil embossing on these images. So beautiful. So you don't have to choose between the fronts and the backs. Gorgeous patterns, basic backgrounds, fussy cuts, more fussy cuts with gold foil accents, wonderful character drawings. These are such classic images. A wonderful tea theme, more teacups, another beautiful background page, playing cards. You get the idea. This is a loaded kit. So 22 12 by 12 sheets of gold foiled paper. You're also going to get 2 sheets of black and 2 sheets of red cardstock that are lightweight. We're going to use these for matting and for some of our mechanisms. You're going to get 6 sheets of a very elegant linen 12 by 12 paper. This is a great neutral cream. You're going to get an entire pack of these Charlie roses from Little Birdie Flowers. We're going to cut it apart from this little cluster and use it. You're going to get 3 yards of this really beautiful red and black polka dot grosgrain ribbon. You're going to get a slimline shaker envelope, and you're going to get a pouch of these darling little playing card sequins to go inside. And what is tea paper without a teaspoon? And then some little buttons. There's also going to be a tea bag, which I forgot to put in the mix, but there will be a tea bag too. So I have some really fun plans for this kit. I think it's going to go really fast, so you're going to want to jump on board and get your order in very quickly. The best way to make sure that you're going to get a kit like this is to subscribe to the club. Club members are guaranteed their kits because we know in advance that you're going to want one. So I'm going to get busy cutting this up, making a fantastic card kit. These are going to be great for Valentine's Day and just for fun. So I'll see you in a bit. We'll get started with work. I'll show you what we're doing. And I want to show you what is coming up in my December Button Farm Club card kit subscription box. Holy cow, guys. This is the most fun. I think this is the most fun card kit I've put together yet. But I want to show you what we're going to be making. I have this amazing array of fun little cards. We'll start with the smallest one. This is a darling little belly band card. Look how cute that is. And everything you see here comes in your kit. So this has a sweet little shaped front, and then on the inside there's a little note card and a little sentiment. Just the cutest little card for anyone who loves tea or loves Alice. It makes a great little get well card, a little birthday card. So there's that one. And then let me see. Oh, shaker cards, which you know I love. We're making this amazing slimline shaker card. And can you see what's in that shaker envelope? Look at those itty bitty little playing cards. I can't stand it. So you're going to learn how to make this wonderful mitered frame. You're going to learn how to make this quick and easy shaker card. You won't believe how fun it is. And then inside there's room to write a sentiment, room to write your own little personal greeting. And this is actually a little gift card pocket down here. So there's that one. Then let's see what comes next. I love Kinetic cards. So we made a pair of Kinetic Waterfall cards. Look at that. How fun is that? So on each of these little panels, there's room for you to add a little photo or a little sentiment. So you could send these off as a really personalized greeting, or they're cute just as they are. But so sweet and really fun. And then I'm not crazy. My reality is just different than yours. If that doesn't describe me, I don't know what does. And then on the inside, we've got this wonderful little sentiment panel, a little gift card pocket, and a tag. And look at the gold foil. in this collection. It is so elegant. So I like this style so much we made 2 of them. Fun, fun. And then this one has the white rabbit. He's my favorite. And then the red queen with another little gift card pocket. Then for display cards, because it's always fun, and these I think will be great for Valentine's Day. Look at our little white rabbit guy here. This is a double easel card. Lots of dimension, lots of fun, perfect for tea lovers. And then it opens up and we've got a little sentiment here and a decorated inside in the pocket. So you can stick a gift card in there or just write on the sentiment and stick it in. But look how cute these would be displayed on your desk or in your kitchen during Valentine's Day. So cute, really cheery. Here he is again. This time he's wearing his diamonds instead of his hearts. And then on the inside, another little sentiment card and this really beautiful paper. For anyone who's a fan of Alice in Wonderland, I think this card kit is a must-have. Okay, then that brings us to, I'm not sure which to show. This time we're making, those are the cards. We actually make a folio and then a little surprise I'm going to show you in a minute. But this little folio is so fun. I thought long and hard because I wanted to present you something a little bit different, but I'm going to show you how to create this wonderful dimension on your cover. And then look how cute this is. Just really beautiful papers. And I like to share lots of tips in the video tutorials so that you can figure out how to get the most out of your paper. So this opens out like this, and then this is the little flap page. And here they are, Alice, the Red Queen, and her court. So cute. This is like a little lap book, but it also works as a gift because in this pocket, we've got a little tea bag and another sentiment card. So you can write on this and you can put 2 photos on the back if you want. So that's fun. And then this flips open and there's the tea party. And I wanted to find a way to preserve this image as a whole because it's just so delightful. And I didn't do anything to it. It's just in the folio as it is. But then here we go. Here's the sneaky secret surprise. Ta-da! A pop-up page, which I'm just crazy about. It is so stinking cute. Look at all that dimension. So, 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 so fun. And just a really lovely surprise at the end of this little folio. And then I thought, you know, it would be fun, an exploding box. So I made one. And you can see we've got a 3D scene here on the cover. You're going to learn how to make these little rosette embellishments from scratch, so you don't even need a die. And then you've got your little teapot and teacup, and there's everybody at the party. And then I'll just show you the fronts of each side of this box is decorated with critters from the storyline. It's so cute. And here's the front. It's always tea time. And then inside, each of these flaps is decorated. We've got this dimensional scene in the center, and then these open out. These are little pockets here that you can stick something in if you wanted to, or you can just leave them as they are. And then these pull out, and you can do journaling here. You can add itty bitty photo booth style photos, but each of these pages flaps open, has a pocket, and has another interactive feature, which is really fun. This is just such a great project. And the great thing is that the kit comes with all the supplies you need. You get a video tutorial where I'm actually making the project and you can watch it at your leisure. And then you also get a basic written guide that covers things like measurements and little tips and tricks and things like that. So it's a very complete kit. It's a wonderful way to spend these long winter months inside. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. Anybody who loves Alice, just think how cheery these will be in your home or your studio or your workplace. So that is Alice, the Stamperia Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design at the Button Farm Club. I'll put a link below where you can order your own kit. If you have subscribed to the Kathy Clement quarterly card kit, you will automatically get yours, so you don't have to order, and your order will be filled first. For everybody else, I would hop on it because I think this one's going to sell out really, really fast. All right, guys, thank you so much for all your support and encouragement. I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.